Choosing a career is a significant decision that can have a profound impact on your life. To make a practical and well-informed career choice, follow these steps. 1. Self-assessment. Start by understanding yourself. Identify your strengths, weaknesses, interests, values, and personality traits. 2. Set clear goals. Determine your short-term and long-term career goals. 3. Research career options. Explore various careers and industries that match your interests and skills. 4. Education and qualifications. Consider the educational requirements and qualifications needed for your chosen career. 5. Skills development. Identify the skills and competencies required in your chosen career. 6. Networking. Build a professional network by connecting with people in your desired industry. 7. Gain experience. Gain practical experience through internships, part-time jobs, or volunteering in your chosen field. 8. Seek guidance. Talk to mentors, career counselors, and professionals in your chosen field. 9. Consider work-life balance. Think about the lifestyle you want and how it aligns with your career choice. 10. Financial considerations. Assess the financial aspects of your career choice, including salary expectations, job stability, and the cost of education or training. 11. Evaluate potential employers, research companies and organizations in your chosen field. 12. Make a decision. After gathering all the necessary information, make an informed decision about your career choice. 13. Create a career plan. Develop a career plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your career goals. 14. Take action. Start taking concrete steps towards your chosen career. 15. Adapt and evolve. Be open to adapting your career path as circumstances change and new opportunities arise. Choosing a career is an ongoing process, and it's okay to make adjustments along the way. Remember that your career should align with your values and personal aspirations, and it's crucial to find fulfillment and satisfaction in your chosen path.